About the electromagnet. We defined the electromagnet, and then again we also learned how the strength of electromagnet can be increased or decreased. Okay, we came to understand that the strength of electromagnet can be increased by increasing the strength of electric current which is allowed to pass through the electromagnet. The second one is by increasing the number of turns, okay, of the copper wire which remains wound over the electromagnet or soft iron core. Now here in this video today we'll be learning about uses of electromagnet, and then we'll try to differentiate between electromagnet and permanent magnet, okay, and then we'll learn about the electric bell. Okay, so these things we are going to study in this video. So first comes the uses of electromagnet. So electromagnet is actually the magnet, so that is why these electromagnets are mainly used in cranes to pick up large scrap which is usually made up of iron. Then again it is also used to separate the magnetic substances from non-magnetic substances. And then comes the third point. Okay, these electromagnets are mostly used in many electronic devices like telephone, speaker, audio, tape recorder and electric bell. About the electric bell, we'll be studying how it is used there. Then after that comes, it is also used in electric motors. Okay, and these electric motors are further used in the machines such as mixers, fans. Okay, now here what happens is that further it is explained little bit about the electric motor is explained here. So let me explain that one also. This electric motor, what it does is that it converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Okay, so what happens is that this electric motor is based on the fact that when the current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, then it starts moving. Okay, so that is there. So in this particular fact, this electric motor usually works. Okay, so in order to produce the magnetic field, particularly in this case, okay, electromagnets are mostly used. Then after that, let us try to differentiate between electromagnet and permanent magnet. Okay, electromagnet, they are mostly made up of soft iron. Permanent magnet, they are mostly made up of steel. Then again, the second point of difference is the strength of electromagnet can be increased or decreased by changing the strength of electric current that flows through them. But the permanent magnet, the strength cannot be changed at all. And then again, the next point is that the poles of electromagnet can be changed by changing the direction of electric current. Okay, poles of electromagnet can be reversed or changed. Then again, but permanent magnet's pole cannot be changed. Okay, it always remains same. Then after that comes, this electromagnet is actually the temporary magnet. It retains its magnetism till the electric current keeps on flowing through it. As soon as we switch off, if the electric current stops flowing through them, then they lose their magnetism. But the permanent magnet always retains their magnetism. So this is there. So this is the difference between the electromagnet and permanent magnet. Now let us study about the electric bell. Okay, electric bell, as I told you that it works on the principle of electromagnetism. That is magnetic effect of electric current. When the electric current flows through the wire, it produces the magnetic field around it. So on the same basis, this particular electric device works. Now first we need to understand about different parts of electric bell. So in the book also it is given that it mainly consists of electromagnet. Then again after that followed by spring, as you can see here. Okay, then comes contact screw. Okay, electromagnet are mostly used to produce magnetic field. Then again, contact screw is mainly used here to break or make the electric circuit. Then after that comes, hammer, which is mainly made up of steel, and it further consists of the switch. Okay, that is the push button. Then after that comes the battery to provide electricity, and then the gong, which is mainly made up of brass to produce the sound. Okay, so these are the different parts of the electric bell. now let us try to understand how does it work. So what happens is that when the switch is on, okay, then the electric current starts flowing through the wire of the electromagnet. Okay, as a result, it magnetizes the soft iron core. Okay, and then it behaves like a magnet, and because of this, it attracts the armature, the soft iron armature. I think I forgot to tell you about the soft iron. Okay, it was not given here. Okay, this soft iron armature is attracted by this electromagnet. Okay, and the hammer which is attached to the soft iron armature goes to hit the gong and the sound is produced. But as it comes to hit the gong, the contact between the contact screw and armature is break up. Okay, so in this case, in this way what happens is that the circuit is break up and the electric current stops flowing. Okay, as a result, the electromagnet get demagnetized. Okay, it loses its magnetism. Okay, so because of this, what happens is that this armature again goes back. Okay, and then again make the contact with the contact screw, and because of this, what happens again, the circuit is completed. Okay, as a result, what happens is that this electromagnet, okay, electromagnet behaves as a magnet. Okay, it regains its magnetism, and again it attracts the soft iron armature, and the hammer goes to hit the gong. So in this way, this process continuously goes. Okay, because of this, sound keeps on producing after regular interval when we switch on the electric bell. So this is how the electric bell usually works. Then after that, we'll be studying about electric current, and after the electric current, electric cell. Okay, and then we'll try to classify the electric cell as primary cell and secondary cell. Okay, then about the electrical circuit, and then symbols of different components of electric circuit. Okay, and then their parallel connection, series connections are given. So that we'll discuss in the next video. In this video, this much. Thank you.